Hey, what's up guys? Matt Steffanina here with a brand new tutorial today. This one's to Boom Boom Tam Tam. Now you guys might have seen that I did a concept video to this song back when I was in Brazil, and I love the song so much that I wanted to bring it back to LA with a new routine, and that's what I'm gonna teach y'all today, step by step. Now once you guys learn it, I wanna see your videos and I want you to post them on Musical.ly. Now a lot of people know Musical.ly because it started as like this lip syncing app originally, but it's evolved into so much more. You've probably seen some of my dance videos on there. I use it a lot for dance because you can also play with like the speed of the song, the speed of your dancing, so you can take like concepts and things with props and tricks that normally like wouldn't look that great on video to help you make crazy new combinations and come up with ideas. They're also allowing you now to make longer videos and to upload directly from your camera roll. There's so many things that you couldn't do originally on the app that you can do now with these new features. And you'll see like I've gotten creative even with the start and stop features. So like we'll be in one location and we'll do like a couple moves and then go like zoop, close up on the camera. And then when we uncover it, like boom, we're in new outfits, we're in a new location. So it's just a lot of really cool ways that you can get creative with the app. There's also comedy, there's fashion, there's vlogs, there's pranks, there's all kinds of content, and it's so much fun. So we're gonna do a special hashtag for this dance. So when you upload your videos, wherever you put them, make sure you use that hashtag, and also make sure you download Musical.ly if you don't have it. The link is down in the description box below. And once you get it, you can start posting all kinds of content. Like if you haven't posted on it before, let this be your first post, kill this dance, and then see what other crazy things you can do with it. I'm obsessed with it, and I think you will be too. I think your mom and your grandma and your auntie and your uncle, they're probably gonna like it too. Make sure you guys also tag me, of course, at Matt Steffanina, because I'm gonna be watching all your covers as well. And without further ado, let's get to the tutorial. All right, so we're starting on 5, and the first thing you're gonna do for this is hit your right hand across, and your left knee is gonna come in. Then you're gonna switch, click to the other side. Then you're gonna press your hands as like a superhero move, like right hand on top, and then you're gonna go and bring them in. So there's these sounds in the music that are like, these like clicking sounds. So you're gonna catch 2, 3, 4, you hit, and then from here it's gonna get a little more full out. So you're gonna jump onto your right leg, you're gonna go right and up, down. So when I do this first one, notice how I'm like really arching my back and using my contraction. I'm going up, and then I'm gonna pull this in, and then I'm gonna hit boom, boom, right, left. Now, if you wanna make this like gang, gang, you can do that. Fellas, you wanna make it a little more like boom, boom, you can hit, but make sure you hit hard. It's really big on these basses. Doom, doom. Then you're gonna take your hips back, hands forward, and then pull your hands into that left hip. Or if you want to be a little sexier with it, you know, yeah. And then you're gonna bounce twice, bounce, bounce, and you're bringing that left foot in. And this is just kind of like a fun, like, hey, so the arms don't have to be exactly like mine. That's just like the sort of vibe that we're going for. Cool, so let's try it from the top up to there. You go 2, 3, 4, you hit 5, 6, 7, 8. You go right and left and pull, goom, goom, 6 and hey. Hey, so you notice how the timing is like slow here. Slow, then it goes goom, goom, 6 and hey, hey. Nice, from here, going on, you're gonna step forward on your right foot. You're gonna go hit and grab in. So all I'm doing is taking my left hand to my head, my right hand smacks, then it comes around and I'm still looking to the left, and then as I pull this in, my head comes back to the front. From here, you're gonna push down, your hips are gonna go around to the right like this, and then you're gonna put your weight onto your right foot. So he's gonna say like all night or something like that, so you wanna kinda, hey, little body roll sexy, and then you're gonna set here to go right arm on top, pull back, up, down. So when you do this fast, around is gonna go zoom, 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 zoom. So the first two are fist, 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 hands, hands. These are like ugly, like pointing hands, deep, deep. And then I'm gonna drop down and I'm gonna go boom and push this back. Then from here, he's gonna say, hey, hey, 2 times. You're gonna go, hey, hey, on your left foot, then your right foot. And then you're gonna throw this like this, boom and ta. So all I'm doing with my legs is like a little gallop almost, left, right, left, right, left, right. The first one I'm throwing across. The second one, I'm diving through like this in a little snake. And this is just basically, it's an arm wave, and I'm twisting it at the same time. And then I'm stepping on my right foot. It helps actually if you do that sound effect. With it, stepping on my right foot, prepping to turn, step out. So all I'm doing is punching and my knee goes in, and then I prep up here, and then I turn on my left foot. So you're gonna be doing it to the front. You went, hey, hey, you're going shoo. All right, hey, hey, you're going shoo, and shoo, and punch and turn. When you step out, you're gonna give it like a little what's up, any kind of what's up you want, and then you're gonna go hands up. So as you turn, as soon as you land, there's a little beat there, then there's a catch, then we're almost there. We're gonna go back a bunch, so don't worry if you're like, I'm a little bit lost. It's all right, we're gonna go clean the whole thing up. You're gonna go left and up, down. So when you do this, it's almost like you're getting into like this groove. Your hands are going cross and up, down. Nice. All right, so that's a lot of steps. So let's go from the very top all the way up to here and just make sure you guys have that much. Ready? We go 1, 2, 3, 4. You hit, click, click, push, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and chill, chill. You hit 1 and a zoom, got 3, 4. This goes 5 and up, down, chill. It goes hey, hey, throw, and dive, and punch and turn, up, cross, and up, down. Nice. So feel free to rewind that a couple times if you have to practice it some. It's a lot of choreography, so don't stress if you do. I'm gonna teach you the last couple eights, just a little bit left, and then we're gonna dance it all together from the top. Ready? So we just did up, down. You're gonna go right foot, left foot. And the feeling is almost like when my heels kick out, whoop, whoop, it brings my hands up. So right hand, left hand, then I'm gonna step on my left and go high and low. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Then I'm gonna roll my hands to my head. Da, da, da. And then I'm gonna take this crown off. So to help you remember the choreography, he says something about king, like a king. So you're here and here, right here he says, like a king. And then you take it off. Then you're just gonna smack that right hand out of the way and catch it here, right hand out. So when you do this up and over, when you smack, your left foot comes up. Zoop. Then you catch. Then you're gonna give me 2 hops. Hey. Or it can be a little like, hey, hey, any sort of groove that you want. And if you're doing this with a partner, like how I danced it with Chachi, if the girl kind of goes back, hey, and the guy's kind of like towards her, hey, it's like a nice like partner duet sort of moment. Then this is where the dance gets really fun. This is like your last outro part. You're just gonna take your right foot and go tap, 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 and left foot tap, 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 tap. And notice how I'm kind of like leaning away from it. Your hands are freestyle, so just have fun with it. It's not like it has to be a specific step. It's just a party groove. A, da, 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 a. And last part, you're just gonna go right and left and. My knees are just hitting D-D-D, D-D-D. Righty and lefty and. Then you're gonna go right foot, left foot. Then you step out on your right. You're gonna go out in, grab this, to go tilt, flatten, to go punch and X down. So this is out, in, tilt, and punch and X down. And you wanna make this really strong. So you might need to practice this like 10 times. Zoom, zoom, goom, goom, zoom, zoom, tap, tap. So that you can get it really clean like that, because that's gonna be your ending, and that's gonna be what makes this routine look so dope. And the last thing that we have is just a freestyle. There's those same 4 sounds that we started with. The brr, 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 they come again at the end. So after you hit here, think about 4 like poses or brr, 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 brr. Like it could be anything. You'd be like brr, 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 brr. It could just be fun, but hit those 4 beats and then freestyle out. And you guys got it, the whole routine. Good job. We're gonna take it from the top. First, nice and slow, and then we're gonna try it up to pace so you can try with the music. So let's go slow first. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. You hit 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Boom, boom. 6 and hey, hey. You hit 1 and a 2 and push and 5 and up, down, 7, 8, you go, hey, hey, throw, and dive, and punch, and turn, what's up, hands, deep, deep, up, down, right, left, ta, 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 roll it in, take it off, woo, ha, chill, chill, tam, 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 other side goes, a, freestyle your arms, and righty, and left, and boom, ha, and look, and tilt, punch, and 8, and brr, 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 boom. Freestyle that ending. Boom, boom. There's a lot of bass hits in this song too. So a really good idea when you're freestyling is to kind of go from like party grooves and then once in a while catch that double, boom, boom, really hard, and then go back into like a vibe. All right, take a deep breath. I need a deep breath before we do the fast one because this song is like, it's so chill and fun, but some of these sections get a little fast. The main one that's quick, just so you're ready for it, is after here. Left and up, down, right, left, gee, 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 roll it in, take it off, boom, ha. Then it's all kind of chill. Ready? From the top, starting on what count? If you said 5, million points for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, say, brr, 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 boom. 1, 2, and 3, 4, boom, boom. 6 and 8, 1 and a 2 and 3, 4, 5 and up, down, yay. And hey, hey, chill, and shoo. And gee, boom, what's up? Hey, click, click, up, down, 5 and 60 and 7 and 8 and 2. Hey, chill, chill. Tam, 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 da-na-na, tam, 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 da-na, and right, left. Here we go, fast part and click and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Freestyle. Boom. Cool moves. And then end with a twerk. Yeah. Ay. Oh, look what I just took out of my shoe. That's not good for dancing. That was going into my foot. I thought my shoe felt funny. Now that you guys got the choreography down, go try it with the music. Don't forget to upload your covers to Musical.ly. Link to download it is down in the description. And if you're not subscribed already, subscribe, turn on notifications. I'm doing new tutorials every single week. And we got some surprise guests coming up later this month. Ooh. So go check it out, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.